You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this mathematical curve often used in computer graphics to model fluid shapes in animation, pronounced Bezier from French, I believe. Bezier would be the French pronunciation, but in English it's pronounced Bezier curve. If you want to learn more names from mathematics, stay tuned. Pierre-Étienne Bezier, French engineer. Bezier curve. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.